Hey guys, welcome back to my channel BMK Shots, and today I'm going to show you guys how to whiten teeth. So let's start by doing this. So I'll make this video very snappy, very fast. So let's start by doing this. Click on photo filter on the adjustments tab down, then choose cooling filter 82. So then it will just automatically do this. So then you invert by clicking Control or Command I, then click on the curves adjustment layer, then take it up. I think this is cool. Yeah, this is cool. I like this. About this level, it shouldn't be too bright, but yeah, this is okay. Then hold down alternate key or options key, and put your arrow just beneath the curves layer to do this. Then now whatever you do on this curves layer, we apply on the photo filter layer. So this curves layer now will just automatically apply on this photo filter layer. So the next thing we'll do is click on the layer mask, this black dark background, and you choose your brush tool. Then you brush on the teeth. You can also do this on the eyes also, or on any white object at all. So you take your time to do it and do it gradually. Just in case you do something like this, you can toggle this arrow and clean it easily. So let's go back to white background. The foreground should be white, and we paint over the teeth gradually, not making any mistakes. Or we can redo, we can undo if we make a mistake. So we're almost done, guys. So okay, this is it. We are done. So as you can see, then next thing I like doing is hold down control and click on this, and control G, control or command G. Then you can rename it whatever you want. Then if you can check how far you have gone by doing a before and after by clicking on this visibility eye, this stuff here. So this is the before and this is the after. It's a great change. And we can also tune down the curves layer. If it's too bright, we can tune it down, or if this is too bright also, we can reduce the opacity. So as you can see, so let's just leave it like as this. So you can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. So it's this easy, guys. It's this easy. So just in case you don't have the time to start doing creating photo filter and curves layer, I have the action. So you can just email me or message me on Instagram. My link is in my I'll leave my link in my description, and you can also email me or leave a comment, then I will send it to your email. Or you can also learn. I dropped a video earlier last year, I think it's last 2 years or last year, on how to create the action. So you can also create the action and record it. So let me show you guys. If I delete these groups and contents, if I click on here and I click BMK eye and white and teeth whitening, now this is the action I created. So I've already learned how to do this. So as you can see, it's just easy, it's simple, plug and play, guys. So I also have the sharpening effect action, frequency separation action. So you can also learn how to do these actions, guys. They are very easy. So this is the sharpening effect action. As you can see now, the picture is way sharper than before, so you can reduce it if you want, before and after. So guys, yeah, this is it. So stay tuned to my channel. I'll drop more tutorial videos on how to edit and be good photographers. Thanks for watching, guys. comment, like and share this video. Thank you very much.